So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have any Samsung smartphone do you have, and you can see here I have lots of smartphone and many smartphones are Samsung. And if you have any Samsung model like A series, S series, J series, M series and F series, so this video is especially for you. Because of that, in this video I can show you how can you unlock your smartphone when you forget your Gmail ID account credential without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. I have 6 years of Samsung service center experience, so I'm going to show you how can you unlock your smartphone within 5 to 6 minutes. So let's start the video first. You can see here, this is the Samsung smartphone and this is the latest Android 15 and 16. Okay, so if you have older version of Android like 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, so you can also use this method to unlock your any Samsung model. First of all, you have to connect your charging cable only, okay, to start your charging into your smartphone. Okay, you can see here the charging animation has been started. After that, you have to go to the language section and you have to change the language into English United States. And this is very important. Because of that, the United States is the father of Google, so you have to select the same. And after that, you have to open the emergency call option here. When this page comes into your mobile screen, you have to dial a very unique secret code here, and the code is star hash 0 star and hash. And when you click the last hash button, you can see here a new setting page comes into your mobile screen, and there are lots of options here, but you have to find a very unique option called sensor. So after that, you have to touch to open this, and you can see here my friend, there are lots of sensors are synchronizing here. Okay, so you have to wait only few seconds, like 2 to 3 seconds, and after that you have to go back to the previous page. When you come again in this page, you have to open the green icon here, and you can see here the green option, so you have to click here and tap anywhere, okay, to go back to the main page. After that, you have to go back to the first welcome page, and when you come in this page, you have to again open the emergency call option page here. And when this page again open, you have to dial a very unique Google FRP removal code here, and the code is star hash 555 star 121 0111 and star 0 star hash. You have to enter this code into your mobile screen. After that, you have to call this code and wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3 and done. Go back and start your configuration as usual. So click start, click agree, click setup manually, and after that my friend, you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. When you successfully connected to the internet, you have to click the next button here and you have to wait for a while. After waiting of a few seconds, your phone will asking to enter your PIN pattern and password lock, but you also forget this, so you have to take some important action here, like you have to click use my Google account instead when you forget your PIN pattern password lock. So click here, and again after some few waiting time, this page comes into your mobile screens and asking to enter your Gmail ID account details, but you also forget this. So you have to click here and click the next button, but you can see here you can not go further. So you have to find the small setting icon page in this keyboard section, and when you find it, you have to click it. After that, you have to go to the last page. This is reset to default settings. So click here to open this, and if you got 4 options, so you have to do some important changes here. First of all, you have to go to the first option, click reset, go to second, click erase, go to third and click erase again, and finally you have to click the clear cache file and click clear. Done. Go back and go to the upper option is called suggest text correction. This is the option, so click here. But there are no any manage apps names option here, so you have to go back and go to the first option. Go to the second option, manage input languages, And after that, you have to select the same language, means English US, and again with English UK. Done. Deselect all other languages and go to the three dot option on the right side of a screen. So click here, click check for updates and wait for update comes. When this update comes, you have to click to update this. After some while, go back to the previous page, and again you have to open suggest text corrections option here, and finally we got it this manage apps option here. So click here to open this, and there are, you can see here, there are lots of applications here. So you have to take some important action, means you have to deselect, turn off some few applications. First of all, you have to go to the Galaxy Store and click to turn off. Go to upper side, find Samsung Max VPN, click to turn off, and you have to find Gemini option and you have to turn off. Go back to the home screen. Okay, go to the first page, means welcome page, and again you have to configure your smartphone as usual. So click start, click agree to all, click setup manually, click next. And finally, my friend, you can see here the skip message comes in this page, means you can easily skip this whole process by clicking this skip message, and done. Your smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this amazing service center offline method. And this method is very easy and effective to unlock any kind of Samsung smartphone. So you have to only follow all these methods one by one into your logged Samsung smartphone, and after that, at the end of the video, you can unlock your smartphone as you see here. If you have any type of queries regarding this method, so you have to comment only your specific Samsung model name by subscribing our YouTube channel, and then after, our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of Samsung model at free of cost. So you have to only comment your specific Samsung model name by subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very important. So you have to comment us after subscribe our YouTube channel. Then our team will reply 100% definitely. Don't try to skip this video at any moment. Otherwise, you won't be able to learn how can you unlock your locked Samsung smartphone. This is fully service center offline method, so you have to only follow all these methods into your locked Samsung smartphone, and then after, you can use your smartphone as you see here. And you can see here this Samsung smartphone is unlocked now. You have to sign in with the new Gmail ID account credential in within 10 minutes. Okay, this is very important. And you have to also configure a new type of PIN pattern password lock from setting. This is also very important. So I'm going to configure a new type of PIN pattern password lock here. Okay, you can see here, this is very easy methods, and done. So if you have any type of queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.